What is the difference between your sales methodology, your sales process, and the buyer journey? That's the question for your sales meeting minute this week. In your sales meeting, ask your team that question and see what kind of answers you get back. Look, a sales process are the steps you need to take the deal from start to close on your side of the table. The buyer's journey is the steps that they do, and that might start earlier than you with online research, or it might include other internal meetings and requirement documentation steps that you're not a part of as the sales team. So that process is a little bit different. Then finally, what is your sales methodology? This is what we focus on here at Sandler, is how are you going about those sales meetings in your process? So example, if you're going to do discovery, what does discovery look like? What does it sound like? What does it feel like? It's different than the steps. Understanding a methodology is about how you do the what of your sales process. And you need to be able to understand the difference in order to take your game to the next level. So talk it out with your sales team and leave your comments below.